Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the WhatsApp crashing on Android or iPhone. First, swipe off on the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and then restart it. Then restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that you've updated the app to the latest version. Then if you are using Android, go to settings, apps, then WhatsApp, then storage and then clear the cache. Also head over to your settings app and then go to general or your iPhone storage and make sure that your phone has enough storage space because low storage can cause the apps to crash. Next, if the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp and then reinstall it from the App Store. That's how you fix the WhatsApp app crashing issue. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides.